Hey folks, so I have sent feedback to everybody in Seesaw on your first math check-in, so you should be able to go to your journal. You should see a video from me about how you did yesterday. If you didn't complete the initial math check-in there, make sure that's right down here. Make sure, you can see right here I have from most people, there's a little video right there, right? So I think I've done everybody who handed one back to me. If you didn't hand it in to me, you need to finish that and get it to me today so I can send you that video. And then you're not going to have necessarily class time to do the retake. So watch the video I sent you and go into that document and fill out, of course, what your score is in that last page. So record a score just to make really clear that you understand what you're doing. Let me, 1 second. My computer's taking a second here. Let me go back. So remember what you're doing. You're watching the video, then you're scoring at the bottom of each page. You're giving yourself a score and reflecting, okay? And then at the very end, you are gonna write your score on the 4 problems here, add it up out of 16 points, and see how you did, okay? Then you have a chance to do a retake, and I think a lot of people are gonna wanna do that, but that's your first job, all right? Just as a reminder, you don't give yourself a 4 usually unless everything was perfect. And I said, this is perfect, this is great. If it's close to perfect, it's probably between a 3 and a 4. If you maybe got half the problems right, or you made something right, but the rest of it was wrong, between a 2 and a 3. If you were pretty off and you got a lot of it wrong, you can't give yourself a score better than a 1 or between a 1 and a 2, okay? And less than 1 would be, I guess, if you didn't do it at all, okay? So sometimes people just give themselves 4s, even though I said those things were wrong, and I'm not sure what you're doing there. So make sure if the video says something's wrong, you're not giving yourself a 4. That just doesn't make sense. Okay. After you're done with this, I'll get out of here for a second. There is a new math check-in at the top here. The retake, you can do that, okay? Remember, you only have to redo the problems that you got wrong. I probably told you in the video which ones you should do. A lot of times I said, redo this one and this one. Do that, send me that as soon as you can, because the end of the week is when grades are due, so it has to be in as soon as possible. Hopefully today during class you can finish both of those things, okay? If you finish everything early there, you do have some time left over. Finish up any missing work, or you do IXL independent choice work. But I'd say that's most people should be working on this stuff right here. Work on your own. If you need to ask somebody for some general help, that's okay, but we're not, of course, sharing any answers. Like I said, you shouldn't need a calculator, okay? All right, let me know if you have questions. Use the video I send you. It really goes through the math and explains everything. So top priority is to get this done. All right, good luck. Thank you.